Hello there, my name is Sagar Parazuli, student ID 303811175. So the main aim of making this video presentation is to give a brief introduction or a presentations to Federation University student, as myself being a recent graduate from Federation University. So in this video, we will be talking about my experience during my two-year program in Federation University, and a brief introduction of the project I have done during my master's degree. So talking about myself, my name is Sagar Parazili, a recent software engineering graduate from Federation University. So I started my master's degree in Federation University during November 2019, just before coronavirus. So I'll be giving a short and brief presentation regarding the degree, Federation University, and our master's project, which we did in 2021. So information technology is really a vast subject. It is recognized globally, it has good scope and a high demanding field. So being a IT graduate means you have a big opportunity, like from software engineering to cybersecurity, research, and other lots of tech related field. So talking about the project we developed during our master project, is that we developed an Android application for our client. Lamano Restaurant was our client, which asked us to develop an Android application so that they can reach more customers, and they can boost up their sales so that they can generate more revenue. And also it will help the customer to get better customer service so that they can order all the food from the app, they can reach up the table from the app, so it will be way more easy for the customers. So in our master's degree, we developed two main products: an Android application for the customers, while an admin dashboard, which will be used to manage all the content in the Android application. So here are some of the things to keep in mind while you are working in a master's project or a normal project. So the first thing obviously is the security of the system. So everyone develop different applications. Some build a desktop application, some make Android application, and some are web application. So no matter what type of product we will be developing, security is a very important thing, along with testing. Better testing will help to enhance the security of the application, and reliability and accessibility is also a very important thing to keep in mind while working in a project. Similarly, in a project, obviously there will be at least 3-4 people working in that particular project. So working in a team is also a very important thing to keep in mind while you are working in your real life field or your master's project. So in summary, what I want to share you is about our master's project, which we worked. So it take around 12 weeks of time to complete our final year project. So as I already mentioned, I am from a software engineering background, while my other team member, the other three team members were from enterprise system. So the main responsibility of my other team member is to make research, doing the uh, designing, and helping me to achieve and create a high quality product. So we together develop an Android application and do our own research. So every team individual were assigned a specific task, which we completed during these 12 weeks of time. And for you guys also, you may use different programming language. It can be Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Flutter. It can be different product from desktop, Linux, iOS to Android. So that is not a thing of matter. The only one thing which is most important is to work in a team and create a high quality content. That is what it meant. That is the most important thing to keep in mind. So in conclusion, what I want to say is that every project will be different. One of the most important thing is to work in a team, follow the guidance, and deliver the best product. So there are lots of many programming language, and if you are from like software engineering, or if you are studying information technology, and marks or grades are not the most important thing in a real life scenario. Having a good concept of different programming language, having a good experience in different projects, that is what most important in order to secure a good job in future. So we have to be focused on learning new things. So in my project, we used Java programming language for our Android application. We used React, which is a library of JavaScript, and it's very widely popular front-end development tool, which was developed by Facebook. So we used React for our admin panel, and also for the database and hosting purpose, we used Firebase, which is provided by Google. So all our the tools we used were all popular and was backed by lots of developers. So if you are working in master project, try to learn such things which have good concept, which have big community, and will have a good role in future. So try to learn new things, new programming language, but also keep in mind that whether that programming language have a good future or not. So it is very important to have a good knowledge regarding working in team. If you team member, so in a team there will be at least 3 to 4 people. So each of you guys have to be focused on a specific individual tasks. So from sprint 1 to sprint 3, project roadmap, project demonstration, we all have to move in a coordination way, just like in a real life project. So this is all the thing I learned during my master's project, as well as my master's degree from Federation University, and hope you guys will also work together with a team member, come up with new and great ideas, and learn new tools and skills, because during this one semester, one trimester of master's project, this is the chance for you guys to learn new technology, new methods, working in team coordinations, and come up with the best quality product for your client. And this is obviously equivalent to 4 other subjects. So the credit is really important. So achieving good mark is also very important. So skills, good mark, work in team, and deliver the best product. So thank you. That's all for now.